So for this problem, to evaluate the derivative, then for this given, so to find the derivative, so y prime equals the derivative of 5x to the power 3. So multiply this 5 times 3, this one is 15. Then x minus 1 for the exponent to the power 2. Then minus, so there is one numerical coefficient, then multiply 1 times 2. This one is 2, then x minus 1 for the exponent, so to the power 1. Then minus, for this term, the derivative of 3x, so we just need to drop this x, so this one is equal to 3. Then minus, the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So y prime equals 15x squared minus 2x plus 3. Then for this given, to find the derivative, now take note that the derivative of ln u, so this is equal to the derivative of u over u. So from this given, this is u. So u equals 3x minus 8. Then for the derivative of u, so the derivative of 3x is 3. This one is 0. Then to find now the derivative using this formula, so we have du is equal to 3 then over u. U is 3x minus 8. So this is now the derivative. Then for this given, to evaluate the derivative, so first, using the power property of logarithm, that ln x to the power n, so this is equal to n times ln x. So therefore, for this given, we can rewrite this one as this 4 before ln using this property. So this becomes 4, then ln 2x plus 7. Then to evaluate now the derivative, so first, bring down this constant times for ln u. Again, the derivative of ln u is du over u. So from this given, u is equal to 2x plus 7. And for the derivative of u, this one is 2. So therefore, du over u, or 2 over u is 2x plus 7. Then to simplify, so multiply this 4 times 2. This one is 8. Then over 2x plus 7. So this is now the derivative. Then for this given, to evaluate the derivative of an exponential function, now take note that e to the power u, so the derivative, this is e to the power u times the derivative of u. So from this given, u is equal to 3x minus 5, then the derivative of u. So the derivative of 3x minus 5 is 3. So to find now the derivative, so using this formula, so first, copy the given, so that's e to the power 3x minus 5, then times the derivative of u, and du is equal to 3. So therefore, y prime is equal to 3 times e to the power 3x minus 5. Then for this given, again, to find the derivative, so first, bring down the constant, then times the derivative of e to the power 5x squared plus 4. Again, u is 5x squared plus 4, and du. So the derivative of 5x squared, so multiply this 5 times 2. This one is 10. Then x minus 1, so we have 10x. This one is 0. Then apply now the formula. So this is e to the power u times du. So again, copy first the given. So this is e to the power 5x squared plus 4, then times the derivative of u, that's 10x. Then to simplify, so multiply this 7 times 10. So y prime equals 70x, then e to the power 5x squared plus 4. Then for this given, to evaluate the derivative, so take note that a to the power u, this is equal to a to the power u times ln a, then times the derivative of u. Now for this given, take note that a is the base, that's 3, then u is the exponent, that's 4x minus 6, then du. So the derivative of 4x minus 6, this one is 4. Then to find now the derivative, so we have a to the power u, or copy first the given. So 3 to the power 4x minus 6. Then ln a. So ln a is equal to 3, then times du, and du is 4. Then this is equal to 3 to the power 4x minus 6. Then ln 3, then using now the power property of logarithm, so we can put this 4 as the exponent of 3, or this is equal to y prime 3 to the power 4x minus 6, then ln 3 to the power 4, this is equal to 81. Then for this given, so to evaluate the derivative of a trigonometric function, now take note that the derivative of cosine u, this is equal to negative sine u times the derivative of u. Now take note from this given, u is 6x minus 1, and the derivative of 6x minus 1 is 6. So to evaluate now the derivative, so we have now the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So negative sine 6x minus 1, then times du, and du is 6. Therefore, y prime is equal to negative 6, then sine 6x minus 1. Then for this problem, so again, to evaluate the derivative, so u equals 3x plus 5 and du. So the derivative of 3x plus 5 is 3. So to find now the derivative, so first, always bring down the constant in times the derivative of tangent. Now, since the derivative of tangent u is equal to secant squared u times the derivative of u. So again, tangent is equal to secant squared 3x plus 5, then times the derivative of u is 3. So we have now y prime equals, multiply this negative 5 and 3, this one is negative 15. Then secant squared 3x plus 5. Then for this given, so to evaluate the derivative, so first, using the double angle identity, that's sine A, or 2 sine A cosine A is equal to sine 2A. So from this given, first we need to rewrite this given using this trigonometric identity. So y equals, first, divide this number by 2, so this becomes 3 over 2. Then we have sine, then multiply this angle by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, so this becomes 4x. And from this, we can find now the derivative. So since the derivative of sine u is equal to cosine u times du, so from this given, u is equal to 4x. and du is equal to 4. So again, to evaluate the derivative, so bring down the constant, then times the derivative of sine is cosine, then 4x times the derivative of u, that's 4. Then to simplify, so y prime equals, multiply this 3 times 4. So this one is 12, then over 2. Then cosine 4x. Then simplify, so y prime equals, this 12 divided by 2, this one is 6. Then cosine 4x. Then for this given, to evaluate the derivative, so we need to derive by terms. But take note that for every derivative of y, there is always a y prime. So if we have negative 2y to find the derivative, this is negative 2y prime. Then if we have y to the power 3 to find the derivative, so again multiply, this becomes 3, then y minus 1 for the exponent to the power 2, and again there is always a y prime for every derivative of y. So from this given, first, the derivative of 5x to the power 2, so multiply, this one is 10x, so minus 1 for the exponent, that becomes 1, then equals the derivative of 3y, this one is 3, and again there is a y prime, plus the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So we have 10x equals 3y prime. Then we need to solve for y prime. So divide both sides by 3 to solve for y prime. So therefore y prime equals 10x over 3. Then for this given, so to evaluate the derivative, now this one using the product rule, this one is u times v. So first, bring down the constant times u is equal to x, then du, or the derivative of x, this is 1. Then v is equal to y squared. Then for the derivative of v, so this is 2y, and again there is always a y prime. Then minus the derivative of 5x, this one is 5. Then equals the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. Then we can apply now the formula for the product rule. This one is u times dv, then plus v times du. So bring down 3, then times u times dv. So u is x times dv is 2y y prime. Then plus v du. So v is y squared, du is 1. Then minus 5 equals 0. Then distribute this positive 3. So 2 times 3, this one is 6. Xy y prime. Then to this term, so this becomes 3y squared minus 5 equals 0. Then we need to transpose all terms without y prime. So we have 6xy y prime, then equals, transpose these terms without y prime, this becomes negative 3y squared transpose, that becomes positive 5. Then to solve now for y prime, so y prime equals, so this becomes the numerator, negative 3y squared plus 5, then over, since we need to solve for y prime, so the remaining becomes the denominator, 6xy. So this is now the derivative.